Ask many parents what is on their holiday headache list, and they might point to the infamous unboxing videos. These are short videos often found on YouTube or YouTube Kids. They are very popular. Unboxing videos target kids showing another child gleefully opening new toys and describing their excitement as they examine each piece. A University of Colorado Boulder study says 2 out of every 3 children watch these videos, and the more they watch, the more likely they are to place demands on their parents. And when parents say no, the more likely the kids are to throw a tantrum. Here's a little secret. Influencers are often incentivized with free products or cash to make those videos. Now, what would Santa say? Naughty? Nice? Or not very honest? The brain of a child is not fully developed, so they are more vulnerable to persuasive advertising. Moms and dads, limit what the kiddos watch. That is not always easy in homes with TVs, tablets, and smartphones. The best approach may be to explain why you worry about unboxing videos, and if they do watch, make it a teaching moment. I'm Bill Prasad, your mental health and wellness expert.